Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, we are going to eat lunch. The restaurant is unidentified yet, so we are trying to identify the location or reveal the location, guys, on where. We are trying to find an alfresco style over here. As you can see, I'm still at Lipa. If you guys saw my other video of my Lipa church video, guys, which is the second time going here, this is actually a continuation of going here, guys. So we'll identify the location, guys, and we'll get going. Okay guys, so we're trying some help in finding a restaurant, guys, because so that we can know the location on where we're going.
Hindi na po kayo dadaan po ng bata. Basta hindi po lalagpas na kay Startol.
Still identifying, guys.
Hindi lalagpas na Startol? Opo. Magkano? 200. Hindi po dadaan ng Startol.
Okay, my mom is buying something. Ano yan?
Daing.
She's buying daing. Ay, by the way, mom, my mom is still buying on something.
Kasi Startol, kanan kayo, kailan dire-diretso kayo.
Okay. Anong bibili mo next, ma'am?
Sabihin, lalagpasan yung entrance.
Okay.
Yung entrance ng Startol. Opo, lalagpas po kayo. Basta,
she's gonna buy, ano yan?
Bukayo po, pakumbo.
Okay.
Magkano to?
35 ma'am, 100.
Make your choice.
Ayan.
Uy, first time to nice.
Pastillas po.
Ayan, more sa pastillas. Lalo na to sa
Hindi, mami, sa presyo lang mo.
Mahal naman.
Sige, datigdigan ko na lang kayo.
Basta pag-traffic ko rito.
Ayun, dagdag ko na yan. Dapat itandaan. Ito. Ay, ito.
Ito, talagang tatlo po yan, 100.
Peanut.
100 pa.
Ano yung next? Ano yung pangatlo mong binili, ma'am?
Why na?
Nakainin ito. Ay, okay.
Ma'am, isasama ko na po dito. Para sa iyo.
So this is her next product that she bought.
Bigyan na lang po namin ko yung 300.
Actually kasi guys, naawa lang ako dito sa mga ito. Pero sobrang dami naman. Dalawa na lang. Ay, bigay ko sa driver ko yung isa. Dalawa na lang. Magkano yan? 120.
Kuhaan niyo na po para po kung makawin na.
Dami masyado ning. Hindi man kami masyadong kumakain. O ito. 120. O ayan.
Pakiwan niyo na dati, pa-birthday niyo daw sa kanila.
O. Ayan na.
Okay guys, so my father is trying to call the location of the restaurant. Anong restaurant yung pupuntahan, Dad? Sa ano po? Sorry
Rory.
Okay. So he's revealing the location. So we'll get going, guys, on going to Rory. Okay. Thank you. Okay guys, so I'm trying to help the location of the Irori, but as you can see, my mom and dad are still taking their time locate. They're still taking their time locate the location of the restaurant. So guys, I will get you guys later again.
12 seconds later.
Okay guys, change of plans. We are proceeding to the Lipa Grills, ma'am, no? Okay, as I said, change of plans. Lipa Grills is we're going to eat. We tried our best giving some informations of the Irori restaurant, but as sad as it looks, guys, there's no alfresco style there. So we're just gonna eat here at Lipa Grills because this is the only alfresco style at the Lipa. So let's get some eating, guys. Okay guys, so we just parked here. It's completely isolated, guys. if you look at my back, guys, there are a bunch of woods. I think they lumberjack here. So much here for the lumberjack. So we're gonna visit inside and have an eat. Okay, again guys, this is the area of Lipa Grills.
Saan si Daddy? Nag-CR.
Ay, hindi ko nga alam. Okay guys, so my mom is already ordering here while my dad is cleaning the table. Oh. Sige.
Ano to?
Linis ko, Dad?
Lapu-lapu, isang buo.
Alin, ma'am?
Parang dory.
Ano siya, ma'am? Bali siya, ma'am, may nag-grams po ng mga
Okay.
300 to 400.
Hindi ba dory yan?
Hindi.
Fillet na siya?
Yes, ma'am.
O buong...
Hindi, ma'am. Bali isang part po siya, ma'am, ng ano po, lapot.
Okay guys, so we are ready to eat. Anong kailangan mo, Dad? Okay guys, once again we are ready to eat. It's been an hour, but not really an hour, long minute to wait for our food. I can't believe how long it is. My mango shake right here is already empty because I was so hungry that time. So we'll eat na, guys. Alright now guys, so we already finished our food. Ay, sobra ako nabusog guys. Ikaw ma'am,
Anak ko.
especially sa avocado. Sa ganito
Nakadalawang baso
kadami
pa
rin eh.
Ah?
Oo nga.
Si Rob nakadalawang baso na.
Okay guys, so wala naman kayo tinake out ma'am, no?
Anong i-take out mo dahon?
Hindi. Hindi, tanong ko lang kung wala pa kayo na take out. Wala? Okay. Okay guys, so we're gonna get going. Okay guys, so we're here in the car and we're about to go home to have some rest, but yun nga, nabubusog kami lahat dito guys. Ma'am.
I'm full. Don't talk to me.
Funny pa naman yung sinabi mo na about sa takeout ko. Nakakala ko magte-takeout pa ako. Ang ibig ko nga lang sabihin sa inyo is kayo eh. So guys, we are heading home right now. And thank you once again for watching this video guys. It's once again our back going to Lipa Grills. Leave a comment down below and I will see you.
Kami kay Love, shout out!
Oo nga eh.
Praise the vlog!
So I will see you in the next video. Have a great day guys and bye bye.